Yeah, there's still that ticking over there.
So the engine is out, and you're probably wondering what we found and how we got here. Let's rewind and I'll show you exactly what happened. Remember that ticking noise coming from the passenger side of my car? I thought it was a rocker, a lifter, or even an exhaust leak. It's time to fix that ticking problem, and I believe it's coming from the transmission area. Also, while I have the engine out, I'm going to be tackling a small project in the engine bay, but that's for a future video.
So this is what I found. An exhaust leak. Not one or two, but three.
Let's get my car on jack stands and start the removal process of my engine and transmission. Every project car has that one noise, the one that gets under your skin and keeps you up at night. For my Fox body, it was this relentless ticking. I thought it was a lifter, maybe an exhaust leak, but the more I listened, the more I was convinced it was coming from deep inside the transmission. I knew finding it would be a huge job, but I was determined to solve it, even if it meant tearing the whole car apart. The engine and transmission is out, and I'm going to be covering the holes in the firewall and also going to be painting the engine bay, but that's for a future video. Okay, let's take the transmission off and see if there's anything wrong with the flex plate or the converter. Well, after trying to take the transmission off, I took all the other bolts off except for this one because it rounded. As you can see, let's see. Right there. I bought this, this map torch to see if I can heat it up. I'll pound a socket onto there, and then we should be good to go. In a little bit more. Come out this time. Oh, we got it! Oh my goodness! We got it! Ooh, that's hot. Oh my goodness, I can't believe we got that. Woo! Oh, look at that. Pounded that 14 in there and got it right off. Hell yeah, that's fantastic. Oh yeah, all right, let's pull this off now. All right, now let's pull the transmission off and see what problems we got going on underneath now. Pull this off. Woohoo! Look at that. Came right out. What a beaut. Yeah, really leaked a little bit of transmission fluid there, but that's all right. All the flywheel bolts look like they're down there, like all the way around here. And it'd be hard to see, but they're down there at the bottom too. And then nothing looks like it's hitting or anything. Like same thing for down there. Like everything looks okay. And
all that. Like none of the bell housing bolts in the back look like they're really backed out. But I'll have to take a closer look. I'll have to take the take this converter off and make sure everything's all right. Because I don't see any scraping because the rust is there and there's no scraping. And then if I come over to the transmission, everything looks okay. Like I don't see anything damaged up there. So, and it looks all right inside. So I honestly don't know, because even on here, everything, like on this opposite side, everything looks all right. I don't see anything that's damaged or stuff. So, well, I'm gonna have to figure that out. I got it disconnected and I don't see anything. I hope the transmission isn't hurt. All right, so what I found is I have a bad gasket leak or header or exhaust leak right there, because all the bolts around the converter and the flex plate are fine. There's no markings on the inside of the bell housing. Not only do I have an exhaust leak right there, but I also have another one right there as well. And I might, yep, and then I have another one right there as well. So transmission's good, converter and flex plate's good, but these exhaust leaks are not good. And I got one there. Looks like there's another little one right there. Maybe there's one starting around there. But what I'm finding out is everything else was all right. All those exhaust leaks around the headers is what I believe what was going on with the car. So that's why I kept hearing that ticking inside the cab underneath my dash, because it was coming from the rear of the engine. So that makes sense of what was going on. So I already ordered the new gaskets and new bolts for that. I gotta fix that one because you see it's not fully in there, because the previous owner of the heads had it was stripped with a different bolt in it. So now I gotta go ahead and fix that. So then that's gonna work out. But yeah, everything else looks good to go on it. So we're gonna fix that in the next video. We'll get the transmission back on, and we'll also start working on the engine bay over here and getting that all cleaned up. Don't forget to subscribe, everybody. Like the video. It's the best thing you can do for the channel, and it's completely free. So I see you guys on the next one. Peace.